they're just simple, reliable, easy to work on. We get good service from Hoober. It's been great. It's I like the simplicity of it. I like how everything feeds in, head first. It adds at least another hour or two to our day every day. We start earlier in the morning and we quit later at night. The head's the reason why. We call for inspections on them every year. And they come and inspect them and give us a checklist. And we pick what we want to do. We try and do all of it. That inspection, it's priceless, really. The downtime it saves in the field. That's the best thing you can do. We don't do a lot of repairs in season. We just run. And we do all that maintenance. We just run. We've got older equipment too, and so that really says a lot about the case machine and the inspection that we can run all season with an old machine. Brian Lamb, he's been beyond helpful to us. We couldn't ask for more from Brian. He's not going to quit until he figures out what's wrong. And we always appreciate that about Brian. Got a 245 Magnum, 335 Magnum, 325 Steiger, and a 335 Steiger. They're very powerful, for what they're supposed to be. They've got plenty of power. The first tractors I ever had where I wasn't lugging all the way across the field, I noticed that right away.